Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I did Wednesday Addams makeup look from the series The Addams Family. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put on my wig cap. So that my hair is not in the way. I'm going to use this foundation. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Porcelain. And using a makeup sponge like this, I'm going to put it on my face. Only put a little bit. So you spread it on the cheeks and the chin, above the upper lip, on the nose, on the forehead. Next thing I'm going to use is this concealer. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyelids. Do it like this, and then using the makeup sponge, I'm going to blend it in. Next thing I'm going to use is this foundation powder. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation powder in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to use the included sponge, and I'm going to apply it on my face. Next, I'm going to use this face primer. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer, and I'm going to squirt it on my eyelids. Do both of them. Next, I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. This is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio ink pen, and I'm going to put it on my upper eyelids. Next thing I'm going to use is this mascara. This is the MAC Volume Flash Waterproof Mascara by Rimmel London. And I'm going to put it on my upper and lower eyelashes. Next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This is the Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow palette in the shade Bare Necessities. And I'm going to use this light shade right here. And using an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to put it on both my eyelids. Give a natural look because Wednesday has natural eye makeup. Then I'm going to use this bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. It's this brown color. And using a blush brush, I'm going to apply it on the sides of my face and underneath my chin. Next, I'm going to use that same concealer from earlier. This one. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to put it in places I don't want seen. And I'm going to blend it in with my finger. Next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This is the Ellie Girl, the Nudist Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to use this dark color right here. And using an eyeliner angled brush, I'm going to apply it on my eyebrows. Finally, I'm going to use this setting spray. This is the Ellie Girl Setting Spray Fix and Set Makeup. And I'm going to spray this all over my face to set in the makeup. I'll be right back. I'm going to put on my wig, then my costume. I am back, and this is my Wednesday Addams costume. And I'm going to put on my wig. This is my Wednesday wig. So you put it on like this. Fix the hair. And this is the final look. And that's how you do Wednesday Addams makeup look from the series The Addams Family. Thanks for watching. Bye.